So today in Premiere Pro, we're going to show you how you can fade to black. It's pretty simple. All we have here is we have a video on our timeline, and all we're going to do is I'm just going to make a cut where I want to start the fade to black. So it's about the last 2 seconds of the video. We're going to click on that segment in the clip video, and as you can see here, we want to go to our effects controls panel, which should be here. You're going to look for the category of opacity. Once we're in opacity, and we're going to want to make sure we're at the end here. So if your clip's in the middle, just drag it to the end, and all we want to do is click this little stopwatch. It's called toggle animation. Click that. That's going to put a keyframe in over here. As you can see we have this little object on the timeline, and we're going to move it straight to the other end, so it's right at the end. I'm going to change the opacity from 100 to 0. And now if we rewind this clip, play it back, you're going to see that this video fades to black. That's a pretty simple tutorial on how to fade to black in Premiere Pro. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.